Okay, good morning everyone. I will listen today how to find the volume by using slicing. Slice for this problem, as you see here. The Great Pyramid at Giza is 500 feet high, rising from a square base. This is the base as a square. The side of the square 750 feet. Compute its volume using integration. Okay, the general formula to find the volume, the volume V integration from A to B area times dx. Good. The This is the formula. How to think to find the area? The area here is a square. Okay, this is the base of the pyramid, but we have pyramid here. We can divide the pyramid to many slices, as you see here. This is a slice 1, 2, 3, 4 from. Okay. We need to get the function for the side of the base. Okay. We have here in this point, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. In this point, this is x equals 0, but here 700 feet, this is y. Go up, go up, go up, go up to struct the pyramid. Put the first slide, put then the second slide, then the second slide. Increase to get at the top of the pyramid. Then this is here, increase to reach the top, the peak of the pyramid. Okay, here, what the height? Sorry, here the height 500. Okay, feet, but what the side? The side becomes here 0, right? Then I can find the slope for the side. This is equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Just substitute in this formula to get it. y2, 0 minus y1, 750. Okay, see here. Okay. X2 500 minus x1 0 to get it here negative 750 over 500. This is equals negative 3 over 2. Okay, good. Step 3, write the equation for the side of what? Of the base of the square. Okay, the equation y equals mx minus x1 plus y1. Just substitute. This is equals negative 3 over 2 x minus x1 0 plus y1 plus 750. This is the function. This is f of x. This is f of x. Okay, this is equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 750. This is the equation of the side of the base, the square. This is f of x. Okay, I can now in step 4 can find the area. Area for the square, length times length, right? because the length equals the width because is a square. Yes, this is equals f of x times of x. This is okay, this is equals of x square, of x square. We can get it. This is what of x replace of x. What f of x equal? This is equals negative 3 over 2x plus 750, okay, squared. This is the area. Everything is ready now to substitute in the formula to find the volume. Volume of the pyramid equals integration from 0 to 500, okay, feet of area of x times dx. Everything is ready now, just substitute here. Integration from 0 to 500. What the area? This is area. This is area. Okay, negative 3 over 2x plus 750 squared times dx. Everything is ready. We can use calculator to find the volume of the Great Pyramid at Giza. We can use calculator now. Everything is ready now. Okay, integration. Okay, open bracket, negative 3 over 2, yes, x plus 750, close the bracket, square from 0 to 500, okay, sorry, from 0 to 500 to get it the answer. This is the answer. 9379375. How many 040? Yes. Okay. This is equals 9,375 cubic feet. This is the volume. A volume of greatest pyramid okay at Giza in Egypt. Okay, is it clear? This is the first question. Question 2 here. Suppose that instead of the completing a pyramid, the builder at Giza had stopped at height 250. What change here? Stop here in this point. This is the slice as you see here. Maybe this is the first slice, like this, second, and so on to get to stop here. Okay, to stop here as you see. Stop here. This is no need. This stop here. The same process. The first step, I find the slope m the same because y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Suppose here this is what y2 375 from where? From the question here. The side here with a square plate you top at the top here. The side of the square at the top 375 feet. This is start from 750, then increase the height but decrease the side. Okay, the height increase but decrease of the side. Side here 750, maybe in the second slide 700, 700, 650, 600 like this, and go up to get it here. The side length of the side in the top 375. Be careful about this. Minus 750 over x2 250 minus 0 to get the answer negative 3 over 2. The same slope. The same. Okay, step 2 to find the equation of the side of the square. Y equals mx minus x1 plus y1. Substitute this is equal negative 3 over 2. Here x minus 0, x1 0 plus 700, yes, 50. Okay, y1. Okay, the same equation, don't change anything. Here negative 3 over 2x plus 700. This is y. This is f of x. This is the slide of a square. You know this is the square. Okay, as you see, this is also here. Okay, this is f of x, the width and the length of x. What the area of the square here? The same. Area equals L times L. This is equals f of x times f of x. This is equals the same process f of x square, f of x square, because the base is square. This is equals negative 3 over 2x plus 75, all of you, to power 2 or squared. Now step 4, it's easy, but here what the change? The volume. Change the terms of integration. Now not from 0 to 500, from 0 to 250. 250, because the builder stop in this point. Stop at this point, okay? He said in the question, the builder at Giza had stopped at 250. Okay, good. This is negative 3 over 2x. But here maybe some students ask me, here where is this is the general formula, area of x times dx. Substitute, this is the area. This is the area. Integral from 0 to 250, area here, negative 3 over 2x plus 750 square dx. Everything is that you can use calculator. The same equation, but just change what? Change here 250. Okay, that's it. What the answer? The answer is 80. No, this is the height, not the slide. Be careful about this. 0, 3, 1, 250. This is, I think, 8 million, 82 million, 82 million, 31,250 cubic feet. Okay, the question here, why? Justify why? Why? Explain why? Why the volume is greater than the half? The volume is greater than half the volume of the pyramid in part 1. The volume in part 1, 9, yes, I think 93 million. Okay, okay. What the half for this? If you see here, 39,750,000 Okay, divided by 2, this is, I think, 46, right? 46 million. This is the half. Okay, the question here, explain why the volume is greater than the half. Here 82. Why? But the half here 46 million. But here this is greater. This is greater than why? Because the half, maybe here this is 2, this is half 1, the first half, this is the second half. This is bigger than this, right? Yes, because if go up, the slice of the base decrease, but the height increase. This is the problem. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, here the base wide, then here the base is, yes, not, yes, yes, increase and decrease. Increase height, but decrease the side of the square. This is the problem. Thank you for watching video. We'll see you inshallah in the next